Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is a beautiful, haunting, low, deep, and soothing special series bass D tuned to 432 Hertz that I've made for a lady who lives in Australia. I'm blessed, folks. I've shipped flutes all over the world. I'm blessed. I really appreciate everything everyone's doing for me. This one here is a custom flute I did for her, and she wanted first she wanted it created from cherry wood, and this piece of cherry here, folks, is actually the hardest cherry that I have ever messed with. I mean, it was so hard, 50 grit sandpaper didn't hardly want to touch the surface on it. But she wanted eagle fetishes with genuine turquoise eyes. She wanted several different turquoise stones, genuine stones, and she wanted 2 behind the fetishes, the eagles. She wanted 2 right here and 4 right here. And also she wanted me to engrave, I'll turn it up for you, engrave a beautiful Native American lady with the eagle hugging her, and also the words Phoenix, because she said she was going to change her name to this. And I thought that was just wonderful, folks. That there came out so lovely. It's so beautiful in person, folks. I wish you could see this flute in person. I forgot to mention, this one here is my 9-hole special series drone, bass D drone. And I feel like she's going to love it. I'll let you see the flute. It's very easy on the mouth. It has like a little satin shine to it from the oil. I feel like it came out wonderfully, folks, wonderfully. On the bottom, you will see jdflutes Special Series D, 432 Hertz. And it's being wrapped with very soft black genuine deer leather. And I gave her 3 pieces of leather here to cover up the 3 holes on the drone side. But if you bear with me, I'll let you hear what this baby sounds like. To me, it has a very low, deep, soothing, it's actually a haunting voice. Let me know what you think. Deep, soothing voice. I'll play the drone side. All you have to do is just twist the leather. Instead of moving the leather up and down, you can just twist the leather like so. You can play each individual holes if you like to, but for sake of time on this video, I'm just going to remove the leather on all 3 holes and play it like that. But you can do a lot with this flute. It's coming up a cloud on me, so that's the reason I messed up. I'm trying to hurry up and get off of here. But if you would like to have one like this here, a bass D, just reach out to me, and I'll leave a link to a bass D that you can purchase. You don't have to get it with the engravings and the turquoise stones and all that stuff. You can just get it plain if you like, and folks, I would love to create you one, and I hope you enjoyed this flute, and I feel like it has a wonderful voice. Like I said, if it wasn't for this cloud coming up, I would play a little bit more for you. I could play this flute all day long, folks. Let me know what you think. Special series, bass D, tuned to 432 Hertz. I also make them in 528 Hertz and also 432. So I'll give you some options. Thank you so much, folks. I hope you have a wonderful day.